May is Stroke Awareness Month, and a new interactive experience at Delray Medical Center is helping people understand the warning signs of a stroke in a really powerful way. Here's Angela Rosier to explain how it works.
Well, this is how the interactive chair works. You sit down, you put on the headphones, and then you tap on the iPad.
System check initializing. This is not a test for the machine. It's a check for you.
From here, the new interactive stroke simulator gives users a hands-on way to learn what a stroke can look and feel like.
So now it's explaining the symptoms of having balance problems, or what do they look like when somebody's walking. You could feel like maybe you're tilting to one side or the other.
Dr. Dennys Reyes is an interventional neurologist at Delray Medical Center. He's showing how the device uses the acronym Be Fast to guide the user.
Now it's focusing on the face. She's giving you an example of facial weakness. See what facial weakness looks like.
Be Fast stands for balance problems, eyes blurring, facial drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, and time to call 911. The goal is to educate the public.
We want our community, Delray community and Palm Beach community, to know what stroke-like symptoms look like.
The chair, which is located in the medical center lobby, also includes a short quiz about stroke risk factors. And doctors say calling 911 right away is crucial because EMS can help get stroke patients to a comprehensive stroke center faster for treatment.
We have something called the golden hour. So if you're found within an hour, you arrive to the hospital, and then you get one of these treatment options within the hour, you have a way better chance to do really well, you know, and get back to your normal life.
In Delray Beach, Angela Rosier, WPBF 25 News.
Meteorologists are